fitness friends. Hey, I think I see Blair, Evelyn, Jude, Marcus and Julian. I see you. Hi, friends. Today, we are going to have some fun just moving our body. So let's get started. Let's put our hands together and let's get the wiggles out. Just give me a wiggle here. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. One more. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, how did you do? Let's march in place here. And take a deep breath in. March, march, march. Exhale. And march in place. Let me know when you see my butterfly friend. Shout, there he is, when you see him, okay? Right now, let's march, 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 march. It's very important to keep our body moving. And stop. Now we're gonna do a little game. Are you ready? It goes like this. Maybe you've heard it before. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Have you heard of that one before? You like it? Shall we do it again? Are you ready? Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Nicely done. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to do some jumping jacks. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Jumping jack, jumping jack, jumping jack, jumping jack. Can you go faster? And freeze. Good job. That was fun. March it out. March it out. What's that? You saw my friend? Where did he go? I missed him, darn it. Let's keep going. March in place. March, 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 freeze. March, 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 freeze. And march, 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 march. Well done. Okay, friends, let's try balancing on one leg. Very carefully. How are you doing? Balancing? Whoa, feels a little tricky. Switch that leg. Woo! And put your foot down. Nice job. Okay, how about this one? Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop and stop. Did you like that one? Okay, let's get ready to do the alphabet. We are going to be walking and doing the alphabet at the same time. Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? How did you do? Shall we do that and run a little bit faster? Ready? 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Stop! Oh yeah! High five! Julian, high five! Evelyn, high five! Jude, high five! Blair, high five! Marcus, high five! High five, everybody! Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's take a deep breath in and out, and let's get our wiggles out. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Thank you. Oh, my friend, you see him? There he is! Yay!